Arjun, you?
Why were you expecting someone else? Are you waiting for Dia, right?
No, I didn't mean to say that.
Okay, you just mentioned a phone call. Who had called? And, where is Dia?
Yeah, she got a phone call. It must be urgent, that's why she has gone out. Arjun, please forgive me. I can't tell you the truth. I am really helpless.
Okay, didn't Dia tell you where she was going?
No, she didn't tell me, but she will be back soon. She doesn't stay out for long. You also came with Dia. Why didn't you stay here? Oh, just look. I am so forgetful. I didn't even offer you water. Please be seated. I'll get some tea and snacks for you, huh?
No. Mom, I'm fine. I don't need anything. I've just come to talk to you. Mom, what's the matter? Is there a problem?
Problem? Problem? No, son.
No, because even Dia also looked worried. And she also didn't like me coming here. And now you also look worried when you saw me here. This has never happened before. Has something happened? Please tell me. I don't know why I have a feeling that you're hiding something from me. Mom, please say something. Tell me if there's a problem. You can share it with me, please. Mom, why are you quiet? Look, you can't find the solution by keeping quiet. Okay, Mother, if you and Dia don't want to tell me about it, it's fine. I'll just ask Bablu. Bablu? Bablu? I'm sure Bablu will tell me everything. Bablu!
Son, Bablu isn't at home.
What do you mean he isn't home? Where's Bablu gone now?
He,
Okay, it's okay. I'll call him.
son, Bablu has gone to his friend's place and he left his phone at home only.
He's at his friend's place at this hour.
Well, son, you know how today's children are. It's one of his friend's birthday. He was acting stubborn. So I let him go.
Okay, no problem. But then where does his friend live?
Son, actually he's a new friend, so I don't know where he lives.
At this hour? Mom, you let him go at this hour? I didn't even ask him which friend he was going to meet and where he lives. You could have gone with him, or you should have told Dia to drop him at least.
Arjun! Arjun, why are you being so childish?
Don't ask me questions. First answer me. Where had you gone? And who had called? What's wrong? Why are you nervous? Do one thing. Show me your phone.
What?
Show me your phone. What happened, Dia? What's going on? You are quiet. Mother doesn't know where Bablu is and which friend's place he has gone to. What's going on? Dia, do you know where Bablu is? I mean, which friend's place has he gone to, Dia? Dia, you must know something because I'm really worried now.
Arjun, what can I do about it? You are unnecessarily worried. Bablu has too many friends. They live nearby and he's fine.
And then what about the phone call that Mother had mentioned?
Well, Arjun, my friend had called and there was some emergency, so she needed some money, so I went to give it to her. Arjun, are you done asking questions? I hope you have got answers to all your questions. Arjun, please go home now. Your family must be worried. They have called so many times. They're worried about you.
Yeah, they're worried about you, not me. You didn't tell Mom or Deepika anything before leaving home. Anyway, Dia, I've come back here because I was feeling guilty as I yelled at you. without knowing everything. Then I thought about this with a cool mind and realized that you couldn't do that. There must be some reason why you kept quiet. Otherwise, why would you do so? Because it was you who motivated me to play badminton. And playing mixed doubles was also your idea, Dia. So I'm sure that there's something more behind your silence, which I'm not able to see right now. Dia, your decision to not play mixed doubles is not a small thing. And Dia, I'm sorry for yelling at you without knowing your reason. You know, I sometimes lose my temper for no reason whatsoever. I'm sorry, Dia. I've come back here to rectify my mistake. And also to know the reason for your compulsion. So please let me know. What's your compulsion?
Arjun, what compulsion are you talking about? Look, Arjun, there is no issue. Please go home.
Whether you tell me or not, I have understood that there is an issue. And I'm sure about it. And I'll find out what it is.
Dia, do you think Arjun has become suspicious about Bablu? Dia, tell me. Why did you leave in a hurry? Who called you up? Tell me. Tell me the truth, Dia. Tell me the truth.
Bablu, you...
Dia, I want to go home.
Then why did Bablu have a fever all of a sudden? Hey, Dia, did they do something?
No, Mom. They did nothing to him. Bablu is a child. He got fever as he was scared and he fell ill.
So why don't they call a doctor?
Mom, they don't want to get caught. That is why they called me.
What if something happens to my child? Dia, you have seen the place, right? You have seen it, right? Let's do one thing. Let's go to the police. They will help us for sure.
Mom, what are you saying? If we could inform the police, I would have done it long back. Mom, I could not see anything. My eyes were covered.
Dia, I'm really scared about Bablu, Dia.
Mom, don't be scared. Karan has kidnapped Bablu to blackmail me. He won't harm Bablu because I'm ready to listen to him. Mom, Karan's benefits lies in keeping Bablu safe. Where did Ajit take me? Had I got some hint, I would have told Arjun. But without any clue, I cannot tell him anything and create problems for Bablu.
Oh no, where did Dia go all of a sudden? She is not even answering my call. She is becoming like Arjun. She is becoming exactly like Arjun. We never stopped her from visiting her parents' house. Have we ever stopped her? Once she could tell us before leaving. Oof. I'm worried whether everything is fine or not at her house. Are we not a part of her family? Are we strangers? I'm her mother. If there was any problem, she could have told me.
Mom, please calm down. Why are you worried? Dia will call you as soon as she's free. She might have forgotten to tell you in a hurry.
Where is Arjun? He would definitely know why Dia left all of a sudden, right?
I wish I knew it. But Mom, just like you, even I don't know why she left in a hurry. In fact, in the morning, her mother came to meet her. And I think there's a problem.
Yes, Arjun. When I saw Aunt Meera in the morning, even I felt that she was in some trouble.
And Mom, after she left, Dia wanted to go home. She left in a hurry. Then after that, I went to their place to ask them what happened. But no one was ready to tell me anything at all. Everyone said that there was no problem whatsoever. But Mom, I feel that they're hiding something from me. And I guess that there are problems in Dia's family that she doesn't want to share with me.
But why, Arjun? What is the problem in telling you?
Mom, I guess she thinks that we'll be upset that if we know about her family problems.
We are her loved ones.
Mom, I know, but I don't know what problem she's in that she's hiding from me. Mom, you know what? She refused to play mixed doubles with me.
She refused to play mixed doubles with you?
Yes. And they are not playing this match is a big thing.
How will you play without Dia?
No, Mom. I'll play the match. If not Dia, I'll find a new partner and I'll play with her, but I will play the match. But Mom, I don't know. I used to feel motivated with Dia on my side. I don't know whether I'll feel motivated with a new partner or not.
Don't worry, Arjun. We will talk to her.
Careful. Slowly.
What is she doing here? And how dare does she come here again?
Arjun, Niharika is not well. In fact, Kush told us to let her stay at the hospital. But there we won't be able to take proper care of her, Arjun. That's why I called Niharika home at Mom's behest. Arjun, Niharika's mental state is not okay. She tried to kill herself. And what if she tries to do so again? Arjun, please just calm down. Niharika needs all of us right now.
Ma'am, there was some problem with Kush's credit card. He will pay the hospital bills and be back in a while.
No, Deepika. She is not our family. Kush was right. Why did he stop him? This woman can't live in this house.
Arjun is right. I don't have a pure heart as you do. I am an ignoble person. I have committed a lot of sins. A lot of sins. Don't fight among yourselves for me. Please don't. I have to bear the consequences of what all I have done. I have only created problems for you all. I'm just getting out all I've sown. I deserve to be punished. I'll go away from here. I'll go away. I'll spend the rest of my life on the street outside.
We all know that you're a good actor. We all know. But to show this emotional drama to someone else, not us. We've all seen your true colors. And your tears won't affect us at all.
I'm not putting an act. Trust me, I didn't want to come here. I wanted to go far away from this place. They forcefully brought me here. I didn't want to come to this house.
Really? Okay, no problem. Now no one will force you. You may leave.
Arjun, what are you doing?
No, Mom. Don't believe her. I'm sure. She's again putting on an act to come back to this house. She must have another agenda now.
Mom. Arjun isn't wrong. I'll go elsewhere. I won't stay here. If possible, I want you to forgive me. Forgive me. I just want you to be happy. My happiness lies in your happiness.
Niharika!
Niharika!
I won't let you miss a practice session even for a day.
Come on, Arjun. You have been harping on about practice. There won't be any harm if we don't practice for a couple of days. Besides, there are many other things that are more important than badminton. There are relationships and problems. Only badminton is not important.
Arjun, be careful. What are you doing? What's wrong with you? Why are you venting your anger on the racket?
You tell me. Who do I vent my anger on?
Arjun, your anger on Diya is not justified. I know Diya. She can never deceive you. She must have had some compulsion.
Compulsion. Okay, fine. Let's assume something compelled her to do so. But she could have at least told me. I don't understand. What caused so much distance between us in just one day? I couldn't sleep all night, thinking what she's hiding from me. And Deepika, she wasn't playing mixed doubles for herself, but for me. She was playing it for my comeback. So her withdrawal from the match is beyond my understanding. And the compulsion that you're talking about, I tried to think about it from each and every angle. I thought about it all night, but I didn't find an answer. And it was eating away at me.
Arjun, I can understand your problem. In fact, Mom and I were discussing the same at night. We don't know what happened that... Why is Diya doing so? Why is she hiding things from us?
I hope I have kept everything. I've kept medicines, food, and his clothes. I didn't miss anything, did I? I should leave now, or I'll be late.
That's why Mom has decided to go to her house to talk to her.
No, there's absolutely no use.
But Arjun, what's the problem with talking to her?
The problem is that she won't tell anyone anything. I know her. If she hasn't told me, she won't tell anyone. Do one thing. Stop Mom from going there. Tell her that I'll handle everything. I don't know how, but I'll do it. I have to find out the truth. That in the next 24 hours. Otherwise, everything will be over.
Arjun, please don't lose courage. Everything will be fine.
How will... That reminds me. How's Niharika?
Arjun, there isn't much improvement in Niharika's condition. She comes around and passes out again. She hasn't completely regained consciousness yet.
So what do the doctors say?
What will he say? He said it is a psychological case more than a medical case. Arjun, we have to take help of a therapist. Whenever she comes around, she mutters strange things. I have wronged you. I don't want to stay in this house. I'm not worthy of being with you. See, she keeps saying all that. Arjun, she won't recover without a therapist's help. But Kush is...
Don't worry. I'll talk to him. He won't turn me down.
No, Arjun. I will talk to Kush. You try to keep in touch with Diya. Diya needs you right now.
Sir, I know this, sir, that you will yell at me. But I want to give you a piece of advice.
Don't beat around the bush. Come to the point.
Sir, I don't find your plan to send Dia to her brother again and again to be correct, sir. Sir, she isn't as innocent as you think that she actually is. She's very clever. She will surely try some trick to save her own brother.
Ajit, I've told you before and I'm telling you one last time. Keep your stupid advice to yourself.
But, sir...
Be quiet! I know what I'm doing.
Sir, you don't know what you're doing, sir.
Be quiet! Ajit, Dia can fool you because you are an ordinary goon. But she isn't smarter than me. So do as I said. Don't use your brain. Dia can't do anything. As long as her brother is with us, she won't even think of doing something. Because Dia knows what I can do to her brother if she tries to act smart.
Okay, sir. As you wish. But if anything goes wrong, then you too will also be caught in the trouble. So don't blame me later.
Don't lecture me, Ajit. The mixed doubles match is in the next 10 days. Do what I ask you to do for the next 10 days, quietly.
Haven't you got a lot of things in this bag? What is in it? Come on, show me. There is no hidden camera, is there?
You don't believe in what I would say, right? You can check for yourself.
I can't see here anything right now. But get one thing straight. If you try to act smart anytime, then your brother will be dead. Understood?
Are you out of your mind? My brother's life is in danger, and I'll try to act smart? If you are scared of me, you may search the bag again, but don't threaten to kill my brother again and again.